There's a science behind skincare, there's a science behind makeup, there's a science behind the beauty industry that many don't realize. And a lot of times, if you understand what you're doing and why you're doing it, you can avoid making mistakes that will cost you more money down the line. It's all about knowledge and understanding. Outside of skincare, I like to give flirty lashes. It's going to give you that eye bat and power. I also like to focus on microblading services for my client. That's also going to give them that perfect brow shape that they desire so much.
Anything I need her for, runways, competitions, anything I do, she's there for my makeup because she's like the only one I trust with that stuff. If you have a good person that is helping you out and not just doing your makeup for her business and doing it because she wants to do it and because she likes to do it, it's very important as well.
I love making people feel and look beautiful. They say that you have 31 seconds to make a first impression. Why not make it a confident one?